These are instructions on how to use Acrovista BellWiz. First, install BellWiz. Open BellWiz. Click the Add Bell button. Select the file you want to play. Select Play Once and click Next. Select the date of the first occurrence of the bell. Be sure to indicate the time that you want it to start and click Next. Select how long you would like the bell to repeat. Select Repeat without end date and click Next. Select the frequency of the alarm repeats. Select Daily and click Next. Enter how often to repeat alarm. Select 1 and click Next. The bell creation steps are now complete. Please enter a name to remember the bell as and press the Finish button to accept and add the new bell. Name this file by the name you selected in step 4. In my case for this tutorial is 1 p.m. This file will play every day, forever at 1 p.m. You may test this file by clicking the file and click Test Bell at the top of the page. Welcome to the Crystal Lake Golf Villa Recreation Facility. It's 1 p.m. Repeat steps 4 through 11 for any new bell that you want to add.